do our spa parties work? Once the hostess books her spa party date with her $99 deposit, she may use our invite feature to send invites to all of her guests. Guests then use the link from the invite to order and pay for their spa services. We then reserve staff members to work the party based on services ordered. A schedule is set to the hostess that details guest names, services ordered, time of service, and the name of the Lavender staff who will provide the service. Our staff arrives at the party early for setup and then provides all guests with a rotation of services until we are finished. This gives other guests a chance to eat, talk, and laugh with each other while waiting for their appointment time. After all services have been facilitated, we leave you and your guests feeling blissful and content. Experience this luxury at home. Book today.